To enhance user experience on its messenger, Facebook is planning to launch a new button which would allow its users to make voice commands for replying to the messages and to start making voice calls. The new button, to be called M Assistant, would also be used to create reminders. However, the Facebook didn't make it clear when the feature will be rolled out. The Facebook is continuously making changes for the betterment of the Messenger app. The biggest change arriving on the Facebook Messenger is the dark mode, which is one of the highly demanded features on an app that people prefer to use at night. People from Android police have spotted the new look of the Facebook Messenger on iOS. The focus of the redesign will be on the features that users want to access quickly. The company said that it would take more than 4 months for the rollout of the new design. The screenshot posted by Android police show mainly 3 tabs: Conversations, People, and Explore, while the camera and new chat buttons have been moved to the top right corner. The chats are in the Conversations tab, the Contacts in the People tab, and the game's business functionalities have been moved to the Explore tab. The chat screen has been redesigned with customizable colors. Apart from this, there are some other subtle changes in the overall app interface. The dark mode particularly is a much desired feature. What it does is, it changes the white background to a dark one while the text on the screen turns white. It makes browsing an app very easy while using in the night time. Facebook Messenger saw a change in the design about a year ago when it introduced new tabs to highlight some major features such as chats, groups, and more. Facebook also started making the changes to other apps such as Instagram to maintain their uniformity. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. See you guys in the next video. Bye.